All right, friends, this will be a short review video explaining our 1 plus 1 plus 1 doubling rule and also suffixes. So we talked about earlier in some of our live classes what a suffix is. Suffixes like to live at the end of a word, and it's something that you add to change the meaning, but not the actual word. For example, you have ing. Ing is a suffix where we could add to play, playing, or watch, watching. The suffix adds to the word. It doesn't change the meaning, but changes how we use it. There we go, Mrs. Grosby. Suffixes change how we use the word. Another popular suffix is If I do play, play becomes player, player. Or talk, talker, run, runner. These two suffixes or any suffix will add to a word to change how we use it. And then there's also ed or ed. If I had the word want, for example, wanted. Suffixes are parts that can attach to a word, but these don't mean anything by themselves. So ing, and ed are some suffixes. Now, there are words that they'll attach to that might need some protecting. So for example, I'll give you the word stick. Stick. What sounds do we hear in the word stick? I hear s, t, I, and stick. Now, if I wanted to add a suffix to this word, look what happens. We'll go with, sticker, like stickers that we can get in class. So I'll add sticker. But if I fishhook this word and I want to read it, I find out that instead of saying sticker, it says what, my friends? It says stiker instead. That suffix ran into my word, grabbed this K, and left my vowel unprotected. We need a double. We need an extra layer of protection. And we cannot put two K's next to each other, not in our English language anyway. So what is our letter that can give us an extra layer of protection while still making a K sound? Our stealer, of course. Our CK gives us an extra layer of protection. Let's go ahead and show that. If I had stick, st-ick, with an extra layer of protection there, wiggly stand, and my suffix comes running in and hits it. Let's see. With that extra layer of protection, my vowel gets to stay a sounder. So I don't get stiker, I get sticker. Oh, thank you, Mr. C, for coming in to protect that vowel from that suffix running in and crashing into this word. Now, Mrs. Grosby mentioned before, 1 plus 1 plus 1. That has nothing to do with math this time because it is helping us remember our spelling rule. When we look at stick, I'll write it back here. Those are the sounds in stick. Is there one syllable? Yes, one syllable. Let me go ahead and write this small here. Stick is one syllable. We got the first one. Is there one sounder vowel? Yes, sounder I. One sounder vowel. And is there one consonant sound protecting that vowel? There's only one, that K. One consonant. Oh, squeeze, Mrs. Gorospe. Consonant sound protecting it. When we have those three together, one syllable, one sounder vowel, one consonant vowel, this word will need an extra layer of protection. So when we want to spell stick, we must use our CK spelling. All right, another one would be pick. P-ick. Pick. Is it one syllable? Yes. One sounder vowel? Yes. One consonant sound protecting it? Yes. So if I wanted to spell the word pick, can I leave it like this? Oh, no siree. We have 1 + 1 + 1. It is going to need a CK in order to protect it from that suffix that could come crashing into it. Picking, or picked, or picker, or picking flowers maybe. So that is our rule there. And it also helps us to know when not to use a double. For example, let me put this one. Peak. Is it one syllable? Yes. Is there a sounder vowel? P-eek. Peak. E. That's a namer, so it is not it does not have a sounder vowel. Is there one consonant sound after it? Yes. But without this one, it does not have the 3 reasons to put a CK spelling. So if there's a suffix that comes crashing in, it's perfectly fine. Peeking. No peeking when you're playing hide and seek. So this word does not need protection because it doesn't have the 1 + 1 + 1 rule. All right. So that was just a little bit of a review when to use our CK spelling. We'll have another worksheet up too on our Showbie where we practice finding out our CK spellings and how to decode them. Thank you, friends.